Hi, it's Neil Langham here. Thank you for clicking through onto my video. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to get started in affiliate marketing even without a website. So I thought I'd start about exactly what affiliate marketing is, and then I'll go on to talk about 5 different ways you can get started in affiliate marketing without a website. So affiliate marketing is essentially selling a product on behalf of a company, and they'll give you commission. So why is affiliate marketing a great company to start off with? Well, it's a scalable business. If you're working a 9 to 5 job, you'll get paid at the end of the week or the end of the month, and that salary remains the same. There may be you may get promotions and get paid a bit more, but essentially on a day-to-day basis or a weekly basis, you get paid the same. Whereas with affiliate marketing, the sky's the limit. The more you can sell and the more you can expand, the more commissions you'll make. What I want to do eventually is set up my affiliate marketing funnels so that everything's running passively. So it does take work to start off with, because you do need to get your links out there and build your sales funnels. But once they're all out there and you've got regular traffic coming in passively, then you'll get income passively. There's low startup costs. Essentially, to get started with affiliate marketing, all you need really is an internet connection and obviously a computer, because a lot of the companies are online, and a lot of the companies you can be an affiliate for them for free. So there are some companies where you do need to actually be a member of their membership plan, or you do have to pay to become a partner. But to get started with, if you haven't got much money to begin with, why not start with one of the free affiliate programs? There are lots of places you can find affiliate products. What I would do is find a marketplace that you're interested in. For example, let's say golf or photography, and then you can then Google if you've got a specific camera you want to sell, or a specific brand of camera, for example. You can then Google affiliate marketing programs related to that particular product. There are various marketplaces that group a lot of affiliate marketing companies together, or affiliate products. A couple of those examples include ClickBank, and I'll do a video later about going through how to set up a ClickBank account and how to start promoting ClickBank products. There's also JVZoo, which is very similar, but are more sort of business type products. So, what are the advantages of having a website? Before we go on to telling you how to promote this business without a website, but a website in itself, as you probably can imagine, is very advantageous. Some companies require to see your website before they give you the affiliate link. So with some products, you will actually need a website before you can get started. If you have a website set up, you'll obviously you can talk about yourself, talk about your company, and that kind of builds trust to your potential customers. So one of the first things I do when I'm looking to purchase something online, or to find out about people online, is I Google them. And if you don't have a website, if people can't find your sort of hub or your base, then they may not trust you as much as someone who did have a website. So from that perspective, a website is a good idea. Also, once you've got a website set up, you can have multiple products on that website, and that can bring in passive sales. So unlike a storefront or a shop which closes at night, the internet doesn't close. So if someone's Googling you or Googling your kind of product, and they stumble across your website, or through whatever traffic generation things you're doing, and if they come across your website, they'll, while you're asleep, they could buy your product or buy lots of related products on your website, and then you're making money while you sleep. The good thing about websites, or the nice thing about websites these days, is that it's a very low startup cost. You can get a hosting program for $3 or $4 a month, and then there are also free website builders. For example, you can set up a website using WordPress, which is a free program. It takes a little bit of technical know-how, or there's other website builders that you pay a little bit more for, and you can get your website built yourself. Other ways of setting up a website include getting someone else to do it. Website building companies, they can range quite a bit in price. If you're just starting out, it may be that you find somebody on a website like Fiverr.com to build a beginner's website for you. But there's lots of ways to get started with a website, and there are good reasons to have a website. But again, this video is about what to do if you haven't got a website. So the first method I want to talk to you about is setting up a YouTube channel. So you've obviously come through to this video, and it's on a YouTube channel. So to start a YouTube channel, it's free. And what I suggest is posting lots of free content on your YouTube channel about your particular market, or your products. So then your potential viewers can see you, and then they can build a relationship with you. If they come back and they subscribe to your products, they'll get to see your face more and more. You'll be talking about various interesting things in your niche, and hopefully then if you've got a affiliate link in the description of the product, then they can click on that affiliate link and buy your product. The good thing about YouTube, it is a search engine, so you are driving kind of warm traffic to your videos. Someone's obviously gone in, searched for a particular thing, and then they would have come across your video. So for example, on this video, someone could have typed in the Google search, how do I get started in affiliate marketing without a website? I'm hoping if you put that in and someone searched that, if my video came up, they'd watch my video, and then I would then suggest, why don't you have a look at the description of my video, and that will show you how to get started in affiliate marketing and various other things. So that's a really key way of starting without a website, is to build your own YouTube channel. Another way is to get set up with a landing page. So you might say, well, isn't that just a website? Well, yes and no, and actually it's not really like a website, because a website is very has a lot of information on it, and a landing page is simply one web page with usually one aim on it, and it's not cluttered with lots of different information. Problem with having a cluttered landing page is your potential customers could get distracted and then might get bored of reading it, and then may click away. So what I do at my landing page is I have a very clean design with not too much information on it to scare people away, but essentially with my landing pages, I either want them to click directly to purchase the product, but more importantly, I actually want them to click on my landing page and submit their email address. Because once you've got your potential customer's email address, you can then market to them in the future. Because what happens when you've got their email address, you can put their email address into an email autoresponder, and then have lots of emails sent out to them in various, in phases. So every few days or every week or so, just discussing your product or discussing something in the industry that interests them, and then and in your emails you'll have a link then to your sales page. And if they're interested, or at the time, if they're then interested at purchasing your product, they'll click on your link, and then once they buy the product, you'll get commission for it. And the thing about landing pages or capture pages and autoresponders, once they're set up, they your job is really just to drive traffic to that landing page, because once they're set up, they can run on autopilot. And with the email series, you're again constantly building up a relationship with your potential customers. The next thing I want to talk about is paid for advertising. So this includes things like banner ads, Facebook ads, Google ads. So a banner ad is contacting other people with websites and asking them if you can put a banner ad on their website. So let's just take an example. If you're in the weight loss industry, you might find some blogs or some websites that discuss issues with weight loss. But if you've got a product that you want to sell, the website may have a section on it for potential advertisers. So if you click that, or contact the website owner and say, how much does it cost to run a banner ad on their website, they'll come back with prices, and then you can negotiate exactly how much you want to pay and what that actually gives you. So there's various different websites and blogs you can try and contact to get banner ads put up. Obviously there's also Google ads and Facebook ads. Before getting into these, I really researched that thoroughly, because you can lose a lot if you don't know what you're doing with these kind of adverts. You can lose a lot of money. You can pay too much for clicks. And the thing about, I guess, with Google ads, people are searching for the particular product. The thing is with Facebook ads, there's sort of interruption marketing. People don't go onto Facebook, for example, and are searching for a particular thing. It's a social platform, and ads do work on Facebook, but you just really got to know what you're doing there. Next thing I want to talk about is, we are talking about Facebook, so let's talk about social media marketing. This can be a free form of marketing for you. You do need to put the time in with this. Basically, you write content on your personal Facebook page or Instagram, whatever social media platform you're using. Ideally you should be posting content on a number of different platforms. Create a free business page on Facebook, and again post content on there. You might need to run some good. There's talk of needing to run adverts on your business page for people to see it. But as long as you're posting regular content, people will see it in their newsfeed. And then when you're writing that content, if you've got links to your product sales page or to your landing page, then people will click it if they're interested in it, and then go and buy it. The other thing with Facebook you can do is set up Facebook groups. So if you set up a group with people interested in your particular marketplace or in your niche, then you can build up a following within a group. And as long as you're posting regular content within a group, people get to know who you are, and then when you then recommend some products, obviously the products that you're selling, hopefully some people will click on your link, your affiliate link, and purchase the product, and then you get your commission. The final thing I wanted to discuss is blogging. So blogging is basically writing articles on certain things around your niche or around your industry. So if you have a particular product, you can write articles about it and publish your blogs. And then if people are searching for that particular newsworthy item, they may come across your blog. And if your blog's got your sales affiliate link on it, if they click it, buy your product, then you make a commission. A popular blog would be to write an article about reviewing your product. So you can just detail the product, talk about the benefits of your product. You can even talk about the downsides of your product, but obviously you don't want to talk too much about the downsides because you obviously want people to buy your product. But you can compare your product to other similar products and say how yours is better, and and then you can start publishing that blog. One of the things you can do is answer questions on Quora.com. So Quora is a website where people generally ask questions, and then you go on there and answer the questions, and people vote for the best answer. So for example, in affiliate marketing, someone could ask, how do you actually make money in affiliate marketing? And I could go there and answer that question. And if people like that answer, they can click, that they like the answer, and then my answer will make it to the top. Obviously there's competition with other people, but essentially if you answer the question, leave your like I said, it's really good to have a landing page. So you leave your landing page on there, so then you can eventually hopefully get your potential customers' email address. But even if you don't leave a landing page, if you just leave your product affiliate link, if they click that link and they buy the product, you'll get commission. Another good website to write articles onto is medium.com. So if you write articles, and it's basically another blogging platform, if you write articles for medium.com, if people are searching it, they can find your particular article. Medium.com articles also, they do appear on the Google search results. So, for example, if you have a product on and you've done a review on Medium.com, if people go onto Google and type, review of this weight loss product, then your article may come up. If they click it, and then there's your affiliate link, and they click that and eventually buy your product, you'll also get commission for it. So that brings me to the end of this video on how to set up an affiliate marketing business without a website. I hope you've gained some information from this content and that you can implement it in your own business. If you like this video, I'd appreciate if you hit the like button, and if you subscribe and hit the notification button, you'll be told of further videos that I make in the future. If you have a look in my description, you can find out how to learn more about setting up an affiliate marketing business, and I'd appreciate if you leave any comments or any suggestions in the comments field. Thank you for now.